What's up, guys? Welcome to your 53rd Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial is a theme. Pretty simple tutorial, pretty quick, but I'll show you what a theme is real quick as we hit our menu item. Gives us our menu inflator for the most part, gives us two menu items, set up this about us, and this is what a theme can do. It just makes transparent background and displays this thing that says Travis is the coolest person I know. If you want to send him a cement truck full of bacon, he would love that. If you can afford to do so, he'd also love if you checked out his website, mybringback.com, to say what's up. And you know, I didn't write that, that just came with SDK. Android knows me pretty well. But yeah, that's what a theme is. Basically gives you a transparent background, makes your application look a little bit sexier, and that's for a text activity for the most part. So what I want you guys to do first is set up a new Android XML layout called About, and it can only include text. So just say one text view and then type whatever you want. For the most part, don't really worry about how it looks here, because it's going to kind of wrap it and give it a theme. But you know, just write some text, one text view, something simple that I believe you guys can do by now. I have a lot of faith in you guys. So just set that up, exit out of there, then create a new class called About Us, capital A, capital U, and just set your text view to your XML layout that you set up. Again, extending activity and on create, set content view, set those up, get that reference going. Then what we need to do is go into the Android manifest to set up our new activity. And you guys want to probably copy one that has one of these intent filters already and make sure it's the default. That's what I did. I just copied this, pasted it right here, Control Shift format, said Shift, Control Shift format, and you know, copy and paste it here, change it to your class name, which is called About Us, and change your action name to About, capital About after our package name, and again, make sure it's default. Nothing new so far, but you know, basically all we have to do now is set this up in our menu class. Again, once our button About Us is pressed, then we're going to do it the old school way, the first way you guys learned to open an activity. We're going to call intent I, new intent, and then just reference our action name, which is com.thenewboston.travis.about, or whatever you guys decided to have your action name be within the manifest. Now we have our intent set up. We're going to just say start activity I, which is the intent we just set up. Nothing new. So you guys are like, how do I get that theme going? Well, it's pretty simple actually. All we have to do is define that in the manifest. So we're going to open the manifest up again, and within our opening, basically a clause of our activity here, we're going to add one line to this. So I'm just going to kind of separate that, and we're just going to add one line, and it's going to be referencing something called a theme. So we need to set that up by saying Android theme, and then that equals, and we're going to say at Android because we're referring to the SDK, Android, and then colon, and then style. As you can see, you can have some other things here, but we're going to say style / capital T, then theme dot capital dialogue, or just dialogue with a capital D, so dialogue, and that will give us that sleek and sexy theme to our little application, which is our About Us. Now, if you guys set up like a button or something within your XML file called About Us, it's going to give you an error because it's working with dialogue, it's working with text, so make sure you only have like one text view or something in there, no buttons, otherwise you'll get an error. But basically that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Pretty quick, pretty simple, and adds a lot of value to your applications for like About Us or whatever you guys want to use that theme for. But I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good one.